Welcome back to another Quarter Horse Customs Tech Tip. I was doing a turn signal switch replacement on Project Apocalypse. Thought I'd show you guys how I wired up this without having the plugs or the factory harness to make the turn signals work. Like I said, this is a tech tip, so we're going to be straight to the point. So when it comes to all your pins back here, this will be on the back of your steering wheel like this. So you have to kind of think of it as in looking like this. This terminal here is going to be your positive. So that's going to be your power in. If you want to have four ways work, give power to here as well. So both of those will have power. So your power will come through a flasher relay. That's not what this is, but for pain's sake, come through your flasher relay into both of those pins. So you'll be able to pull this down and use four ways. Then when it comes to these ones up here, if I remember correctly, this is your left turn signal here, right here, this one here, and then this one down here is going to be your right turn signal. So if you just want turn signals, all you have to worry about is giving power to here, right, left. Now I want to step further, and I did hook up the four ways now. And as we know, you have your little clicky motion here for your brights. You push, when you pull on your stick, it pushes this guy, makes it go click. That guy is up here, and I run my positive to this one, and then I run my line lock and two-step to this one. That way I can click this, do what I got to do for the burnout and staging. And when I'm staged and I'm ready to launch, I just flick that off, and we go. Like I said, here's what I got in the car. Oh, pop this guy the rest of the way in. So now, turn signal, four ways, and then like I said, when I pull this, my line lock turns on. That way, my hand can be here on the steering wheel and I can reach it. And then you can see here, my two power wires, turn signal, and then my two-step and line lock go right there. Simple as that. So I hope that helps somebody who's looking to rewire their car. Now mind you, this is for 86 back to I think 83 has this style turn signal switch. If you want me to look into the other models or the aero style, do a pinout for that so you guys can do one of those ones, let me know. My cars are all 4i based right now, so it's really all I have. But if you guys need it, I'll go ahead and make an aero one. Oh, actually the wife's one does have a aero style, so she's weird. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps one of you guys who's trying to wire up your car for yourselves and you didn't want to deal with the whole harness and just want to straight to the point to have a nice racing Foxbody. Thank you.